Gracie, what are you doing? Are you supposed to be on the table? Grace, are you supposed to be on the table?
No.
What are you doing on the table? You need to get down, please. Why not?
No. No.
Come on.
No.
You helping Abby with school?